So we're gonna pick up from right where we left off in yesterday's video. Hopefully some of you guys have gotten some rest and recovered from Yeezy Day 2021, because man, it was a long day. Now, unfortunately, a lot of us didn't hit on anything, myself included. But after uploading yesterday's video, I was really happy to see that a decent amount of people got W's on the Wave Runner 700 V1. And as I mentioned, that was gonna be one of the newly manufactured pairs that Adidas had made a decent amount of stock for. So it's great to see that a lot of you guys went home with W's after a long day of L's on Yeezy supply. So Adidas was quick to ship these pairs out. Shout out to my guy Will C in the YTP Discord. He posted a screenshot of his new Wave Runners showing a slight manufacturer defect. Now, these pairs do show a production date of 5/21 and are produced out of an India factory. Now, my pair originally, I checked, and my OG Wave Runners are produced in China, so I'm not sure if these are new factories. I'm not sure if these quality control issues are widespread or if this is just an isolated incident. I did also report that the price would be $240, which I heard from a source. That turned out to be incorrect. Obviously, the retail price for Yeezy Day on the Wave Runners was $300. So I would like everybody to comment down below as they get their pairs in, of course, to let me know if you see any quality factory flaws on your pairs, because if there is a major QC issue on these new issued Wave Runners, that's a big problem for Yeezy. So another pair that people got a lot of success on for Yeezy Day 2021 was the 700 V3 Dark Glow. And as I mentioned, that was the release that had the highest amount of stock out of any Yeezy Day release this year. Now, people are starting to get their pairs in as well. And as you guys know, I wasn't too hype about this release. To me, it looked just like the Alpha. And now that people have finally gotten their pairs in, we can confirm that these joints are exactly the same as the Alpha. Of course, they do now feature the Infinity laces, but the big change to this release is the glow. So it was reported that these will have a blue glow, and we can now confirm, shout out to my guy Champ in the YTP Discord, that these joints do have a blue glow to them. So it is a refreshing change, but let me know what you guys think. Is this enough to make you go out and cop these joints? To me, I'm cool with my Albas. The blue glow doesn't do enough for me, but as I mentioned, it is a dope welcoming change. So let me know what you guys think about these joints below. Based on the fact that these had a decent amount of stock, resale price isn't too crazy on these joints. Surprisingly, they're just going for like about $20 or so over retail. So as I mentioned, a lot of stock, and it seems like pretty much everybody just got these joints to flip them on StockX or GOAT as soon as they got them. And as I mentioned in yesterday's video, one of the positive outcomes is because a lot of these people are scalping just to buy these pairs to flip on the secondary market. The newly manufactured Yeezy Day pairs with the higher stocks are gonna actually see a dip on the resale market. So if you took a L, I mean, if you was really going for some of these pairs, now is the time to buy, because there is a dip in the resale value and a significant amount on those pairs mentioned with the higher stock. Now, unfortunately, the Wave Runner, because the demand on those joints is just so high, you're only seeing a slight dip, but it is a dip. So if you took a L and you looking to cop those joints, now is definitely the time, as well as the 700 Black MMVN. Those joints have dipped down by like $60 or so from the retail price. But the three pairs that I wanted to talk about specifically that had the biggest dip in price were the three Yeezy 350 V2 reflective joints. So I'm checking out StockX prices. I'm looking at size 10.5 on the Sense, which on the day before Yeezy Day, them joints, the last sale on them was like $730, right? Now, prices on those joints are below $400, so a significant dip in a dope Yeezy reflective pair. Now, not only that, I mean, I'm looking at the cloud white and the black reflective static. Now, those pairs unfortunately had a couple defects here and there, so stock was a little bit slightly lower, but the prices are also dipping on those joints significantly as well. Just looking at the market data, guys, for those before Yeezy Day, the cloud whites were like over 500, and now pairs of those joints are going for under 400. And then of course the black static reflective that everybody was checking for, Those prices before Yeezy Day were upwards of $800, and in a lot of sizes have now dipped below $500. So right now it is a buyer's market. As I mentioned, if you guys missed out on any of those pairs and you really wanted them, I don't blame you if you go to the secondary market to buy, because prices are now at an all-time low. So salute to everybody for checking out today's video. I'm J.A. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Salute.